Hello YouTube. I was changing the oil on my 1992 883 Sportster. Was just going to give some people some tips. Actually was asked a question on a forum where the oil drain line is, and it is located right here under the battery box, held in by this little spring, tension clamp there. There's the oil filter. I just got done putting it on. I'm really not a big fan of chrome. I just prefer, it to work, and it needs to be new. But a friend of mine, he liked that on the cylinder heads. He manages the shop in O'Reilly, so he likes to throw me a curveball every now and then, just to see if he can't piss me off. So we effectively removed the old oil filter, checked for the gasket, and now it's time to change the oil, or to fill her up. We're going to use some Lucas. Good product. Been a firm believer of it for quite some time. It's an oil stabilizer. I run conventional motor oil in my Sporty. As far as the motor, but in the gear set here, I run a synthetic royal purple. I don't know. It just seems that it looks good. It looks consistent all the time. I don't see a breakdown, and it's good for all the, it's okay with the wiring and everything that's inside there for your stator and whole 9 yards. But all right, we dropped in our oil. Gonna grab us some new oil. Brand names, I always used to be nothing but a Castrol guy, but until recently I didn't think you can get much better than Castrol. I switched to this Valvoline here. Number one. It's gonna take a couple. Takes 3, I believe. 2 3/4. Depends on exactly how it is. I'm always stuck changing the oil on all the bikes when it comes down to it. I don't know, pity me, right? We got 2. Oh, well, we got in there now. Oh, boy, does that look nasty. That's a reflection. I'll plop the cap back on it. Doesn't have to be in there real tight. Just has to be. Give her a start up. Let it run for a few minutes. Probably not near warm enough. Pull that back out. not a bad bike. It rides fun. That's enough. Check for leaks. There is none. Now we gotta go here and check our oil. Grab us a rag. Oh. We were low. That's where I figured we'd be. About 3/4 of a quart. Rather add a little bit than take away a little bit. So let's just check, see where we're at. Still got about a half a quart to go. We're in the safe zone. I could be a little closer to full. And it will heat up and there she is. Wipe her off. Got it all over the exhaust. That's a nice burn. How'd you get it on your feet? Just kidding. Well, cleaned up. That job is done. Alright. Well, from one motorhead to the next. Have fun riding and be safe.